In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a Jira project, including issues using the Deep Clone for Jira tool. Whether you're a project manager looking to replicate a successful workflow, or a developer needing to carry over project setups for consistency, this guide will walk you through cloning your Jira projects step by step. First, let's navigate to the left panel on your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Apps to open the drop-down menu. After that, select Explore More Apps. This will bring you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can find a variety of tools and plugins to enhance your Jira experience. Once you're in the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Deep Clone for Jira. This tool is specifically designed to help you easily clone projects along with their issues and settings, making it a go-to choice for many Jira users needing a complete project duplication. When you see Deep Clone for Jira in the search results, click on it. You'll notice an option labelled Try it for free. Click on this to start a trial period, allowing you to test out the functionality of the app at no cost. After initiating the trial, the app will be installed and ready for use. Now that we have the app installed, let's move back to your apps panel and open the Deep Clone tool. Once inside, you'll see the option to bulk clone. This feature is essential as it allows you to clone all issues and configurations from a project in one go, saving you a significant amount of time compared to manual copying. You'll need to select the project you want to clone. This is known as the source project. Choose the project that you wish to duplicate from the list. Then specify the target of your cloning operation by selecting Clone Project. This action will designate all clones to be set up as a new project. Next, it's time to give your new project a unique identity. Enter a project key and name for the clone. This step is crucial as it distinguishes your new project from others, ensuring clarity and avoiding potential confusion down the road. Once you have filled in these necessary details, click on Clone Project. This action will initiate the cloning process, and the tool will start duplicating the selected project along with its issues. It's important to note, however, that the cloning process may take some time, depending on the size and complexity of the original project. Large projects with numerous issues, components, and configurations might require a few moments, so a bit of patience is essential here. And there you have it, you've successfully set up the cloning of a Jira project using Deep Clone for Jira. This tool ensures that all your project data, from issues to settings, is accurately duplicated, empowering you to manage similar projects effectively without starting from scratch. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.